Okay, so welcome to the second semi-final of the Solo Sports Quiz. And in the second semi-final, we have Anand, Parth, Ramesh, Kingshuk, Gokul, and Orithro. Orithro has made it because they're around, and one of the participants could not make it in time. So, if you haven't watched the first semi-final, how this format works is there are 18 questions of general sports questions clockwise, and 18 questions that go anti-clockwise. The anti-clockwise questions are going to be on your specific mastermind topics, and the mastermind topics today chosen by our players are athletics chosen by Anand, chess chosen by Parth, uh, cricket chosen by Ramesh, road cycling chosen by Kingshuk, football which was chosen by Sukalyan but that is now Arithro, and poker chosen by Gokul. So the mastermind questions will just go anti-clockwise as simply. It will not be your particular direct or anything of that sort. It will just be normal quizzing. So with all that said and done, time for the first question. And I'm just going to repeat the order once again. The order is Anand, Parth, Ramesh, Kingshuk, Gokul, and Arithro. Okay. Question number 1 goes to Anand. Anand, with 6 titles, including 4 between 2016 and 2019, which club is the most successful in the Women's UEFA Champions League?
Lyon.
Absolutely right. Olympic Lyonnais or Lyon is right, and Anand gets on the board. Before we continue, just want to say the top 2 qualify for the final. Here's the next question, and this is for Parth. Parth, tell me, in whose honor has the Indiana Colts and the Denver Broncos retired the number 18 jersey? This person helped the Colts win their first and only Super Bowl.
This is okay. It's Manning.
I'll repeat the question.
Yeah, is it Peyton Manning?
Peyton Manning is right part, and that takes you on the board as well. You're on 1 as well. Next question is for Ramesh. Ramesh, which Indian sports person who has an Asian Games bronze and silver at the had an Asian Games bronze and silver at the Commonwealth Games is a cousin of singers Shan and Sagarika? Which Indian sports person who has an Asian Games bronze and silver in the Commonwealth Games is a cousin of singers Shan and Sagarika?
Go with Manika Batra.
Not Manika Batra, Ramesh. Kingshuk.
I'm not giving any clues. I've forgotten the name, so pass.
All right, Gokul. Gokul.
Frozen out, I think.
Gokul might be frozen out, yes. Arithro.
Ashwini Ponappa.
Arithro. Ashwini Ponappa. Anand.
Jyotirmoy Sikdar.
Not Jyotirmoy Sikdar. Parth.
I was actually going to say Jwala Gutta. Kind of funny.
Not Jwala Gutta. Audience, anyone? You can go
ahead. It's a Bengali shooter. I just forget the name.
Is it the squash player, Bengali squash player, Ritvik Bhattacharya?
No, not right. The answer is Dola Banerjee.
Oh, it's an archer.
Archer Dola Banerjee. Anand, I just got a message from someone who's requesting if everybody's hands are visible. So I'll just try to repeat it once again. Just for the sake of fairness for everyone. We'll take a moment. If you need to maybe move back, move forward, whatever it is, I'll give you that time. Okay. Yeah. Next question goes back to Ramesh again. Ramesh, tell me. Gokul, you're fine now?
Yeah.
Ramesh, the question goes back to you again. West Germany were World Cup football winners in 1974. But in the very first league match, they lost to a lowly ranked and unfancied team. Which team was this? West Germany were World Cup winners in 1974 in football, but in the very first league match, they lost to a lowly ranked and unfancied team. Which one is that?
In East Germany?
East Germany is absolutely right, Ramesh, and you get on the points table as well. Good answer. Next question is for Kingshuk. Kingshuk, Porto won the European Cup in 1987 when, after trailing for most of the game, they scored 2 late goals to beat which team?
Bayern Munich.
Bayern Munich is absolutely right, and basically the idea of the question was that Bayern Munich faced the same fate 12 years later when facing Manchester United. Good answer there, Kingshuk. Next question is for Gokul. Gokul, another question on European football, and it's just a draw of the lot there. Who scored the winning goal in the 2004 Euro football tournament?
Oh my gosh. Oh my god.
I don't know.
Gokul?
Hello?
Yeah, Gokul, tell me.
Yeah, I don't know. Pass.
Okay, Aritra.
I will pass also.
Anand.
Drogba.
No, we're talking about European football countries. Euro, 2004 Euro. Parth.
Luis Figo.
Not Luis Figo. Ramesh.
Oh, sorry.
I'll say no. Oziakov or somebody like that. No.
Kingshuk.
Angelos Kiristias, the Greek player.
Absolutely right. Angelo Karisteas is the right answer in a 1-0 win for Greece over Portugal. And Kingshuk takes the lead there. Next question is for Gokul. Gokul, the 2018 Asian Games were held for the first time in 2 cities. One was Jakarta, which is Indonesia's national capital. And the second city was the capital of the South Sumatra province. Which city was that? Gokul? I'll give Gokul 10 more seconds. Yeah, Gokul, tell me.
Sorry, my call cut. Can you repeat the question?
The 2018 Asian Games were held for the first time in 2 cities. One was Jakarta, Indonesia's national capital. And which capital of the South Sumatra province?
Palembang.
Yes, Gokul, that's right. Palembang is right, and you get on the points table as well. Next question is for Arithro. Arithro, with 12 Olympic medals, who has the most medals among people in athletics?
Pawan Nurmi.
Absolutely right, Aritra. Pawan Nurmi is right, and you get on the points table as well. Next question is for Anand. Anand, actress Rooney Mara's mother is from the Steelers owning Rooney family, while her father's family founded and owns which another NFL team? This team is the most successful of the teams that share the MetLife Stadium. I'll repeat the question. Actress Rooney Mara's mother is from the Steelers owning Rooney family, while her father's family founded and owns which other NFL team? This is the most successful of the teams that share the MetLife Stadium. Five more seconds.
Washington Mets.
Not Washington. Parth.
Okay, I'm gonna go for the Rams.
Can you? What's the full team?
The
Full
Los
name?
Angeles Rams.
Not the Los Angeles Rams. Parth. Ramesh.
Is it the Giants?
Which Giants?
There's only one Giants, right? Are there two? There's only one.
No,
Right?
yes, there is a San Francisco Giants in baseball and the New York Giants in NFL. So I'll give you the points there. It's the New York Giants who get it right. And that takes you to 2 points. Next question is for Kingshuk. Kingshuk, this is the, you have to explain the answer. What glaring omission from the official poster of the 1900 Paris Olympic Games sparked controversy in spite of that edition being pioneering in a related regard? What glaring omission from the official poster of the 1900 Paris Olympic Games sparked controversy in spite of that edition being pioneering in a related regard?
Okay,
Or does something wrong with the?
Yeah. I have an answer for this. There were no women. This was the first time women participated in the Olympics. Before this, there were no women. So women participated for the first time in the modern Olympics. So there was nothing mentioned of that in the poster at all.
Not right. Gokul.
I was thinking of the same thing. Okay, there was no mention of the medals being awarded. This was the first edition in which the gold, silver, bronze medals.
Not right,
were awarded.
Gokul. I'll pass you to Aritra.
There were no mention of the 1900 Expo under which the Summer Olympics were held.
Not right, Aritra. Anand.
They didn't mention that athletes had to be amateurs.
Not right, Anand. Parth. Parth passes.
There were no Olympic rings on the poster.
Not right, Parth. Ramesh.
The year was mentioned incorrectly.
Not right. Audience, anyone wants to take a shot at this? Okay, looks like no one. So basically, it was the first Olympics which had women participating, and the poster had a female fencer. Unfortunately, though, fencing was a men's only event, and so that was the error which was on the poster of the 1900 Olympics. Next question goes back to Kingshuk again. Kingshuk, which team is currently champions of baseball in the USA? Their title win in 2019 was their first in history.
Oh, fuck. Cleveland Indians.
Not Cleveland Indians. Gokul.
Is it the Astros?
Not the Houston Astros.
Houston Astros.
No, not right. Aritra.
Minnesota Twins?
Not Minnesota Twins. Anand.
Broncos.
No, I think that's a different sport. Parth.
I know it's Washington. I forget the last name.
I'll move on to someone else and we'll see if we'll see if that's all you want to say. Ramesh.
It's with me, right?
Yes, it's with you.
Washington Capitals.
Yeah.
Not right. Not Washington Capitals. I didn't get the exact answer, so I won't give points for this. Audience, anyone?
Washington Nationals.
Washington Nationals is right, and so that's 2 questions missed by Kingshuk, and so we'll move on to Gokul. Gokul, tell me, which is the only country to have played just a single World Cup match in football? They did so in the 1938 tournament, losing 6-0 to Hungary.
30?
That's East Indies.
Yes, that's right. Dutch East Indies is right, Gokul, or Indonesia, as it's known now. Next question is for Aritra. Aritra, who won gold in the 400 meters event at the 1984 Olympics, the same race where PT Usha finished 4th?
Nawal El Motowakkal.
Absolutely right, Aritra. So now we have Anand and Parth at 1 and the rest of you at 2. Next question is for Anand. Anand, with 1858 runs, 1858 runs to his name, which Indian holds the record for most runs in his ODI career without hitting a 6?
Not giving the period, right?
No, not giving anything about runs this person has scored. That's 1858.
Sanjay Manjrekar.
Not Sanjay Manjrekar. Parth.
Zahir Khan.
Not Zahir Khan. I think Zahir Khan hit 4 sixes of Olonga, someone quite famous, I think 4 balls. Ramesh. Ramesh.
Yeah. I'll say nothing top was coming. I'll say Samir Dige.
No, King Shuk. You have to be quick on the passes actually.
Okay. I'll go with Akash Chopra.
Not Akash Chopra. Gokul.
I'll go with Ajit Agarkar.
Not Agarkar. Aritra.
Manoj Prabhakar.
Absolutely right, Aritra, and that takes you to 3 points. It is indeed Manoj Prabhakar. Great answer there. Next question is for Anand. Anand, who is the only non-American to achieve the golfing career Grand Slam of winning all 4 majors? At the time, he was the youngest player to do this, although Jack Nicklaus and Tiger Woods subsequently broke this record. Who is the only non-American to achieve the golfing career Grand Slam of winning all 4 majors? At the time, he was the youngest to achieve this, although Jack Nicklaus and Tiger Woods subsequently broke the record. Yes, Anand.
Is it Woosnam?
No, not right. Parth.
I'll pass.
Parth passes. Ramesh.
Greg Norman.
Not Greg Norman. King Shuk.
Gary Player.
Goes to the right person and the right person gets it right. It is indeed Gary Player. That takes you to 3 points, King Shuk. Staying true to your nickname. Next question is for Gokul. Gokul. On a chessboard, the horizontal rows of squares are known as ranks. R-A-N-K-S. What are the vertical columns of squares called?
File.
Can you repeat that once again?
F-I-L-E, file.
Files are right, Gokul. That takes you to 3 points as well. Next question is for Arithro. Arithro, who scored the last goal for India in Olympic football? Men's. And this question has come courtesy Anil Raghavan, sir.
Neville D'Souza.
No, not right.
What
What
did
did
you
he
say?
answer?
Neville D'Souza, he said. Not right. Anand. Won't give too much time on the passes actually. So Anand, 5 seconds and then we'll just move on. Passing
Banerjee.
Anand. Parth. No, not Banerjee. Parth.
Yeah, I pass.
Ramesh.
Peter Tangaraj.
Not right, Ramesh. King Shuk.
Shoilen Manna.
No, not right, King Shuk. Gokul.
I am Vijayan.
Not right. Anyone in the audience wants to have a crack?
Lovely question.
Rhyme with do?
PK Banerjee could be.
No, not right. The answer is Simon. The answer is Simon Sundaraj, and he worked in Mr. Raghavan's company in the 1970s. Next question.
How many questions in are we, by the way? I'm sorry.
Now we're into the last question of the clockwise round. Okay, last question of the clockwise round goes to Arithro once again. Right, Arithro, it's yours. Yeah, it's yours. After moving to Brazil, Japanese judoka Mitsuo Maeda inspired members of the Gracie family to develop a Brazilian form of what martial art? This martial art is Brazil's most popular martial art sport. After moving to Brazil, Japanese judoka Mitsuo Maeda inspired members of the Gracie family to develop a Brazilian form of which martial art?
I'll pass.
Arithro passes. Anand.
Is it Capoeira?
Not capoeira. Parth.
Jiu-jitsu?
Absolutely right. Jiu-jitsu is right. It's the concept known as Brazilian Jiu-jitsu, which is Brazil's most popular martial art. So at the end of the first half of the questions, let's see how the scores are. We have Anand at 1, Parth at 2, Ramesh on 2, Kingshuk on 3, Gokul on 3, and Arithro on 3. So this question will go anti-clockwise and we'll start with Anand this time because Parth answered the last question. Just a reminder what the topics are in this round. It's athletics, chess, cricket, road cycling, football, and poker. Question is for Anand. Anand, held only since 1956, which is the newest and latest athletic events for men in the Olympics? Please be specific.
Athletics as in track or track and field?
It means everything. Held only since 1956, which is the newest and latest athletics event for men in the Olympics? Please be specific. Don't give too much time here.
Olympic pentathlon.
Not the pentathlon. I think that was invented by Baron Pierre de Coubertin while he was still alive. Okay. Moving to Arithro.
3,000 meter steeplechase.
Not the 3,000 meter steeplechase. Gokul.
Is it the hammer?
Did you say the hammer throw, Gokul?
Hello?
Did you say hammer throw?
Yeah, hammer throw.
Not right. Kingshuk.
50-kilometer walk.
Not the 50-kilometer walk, Kingshuk. Ramesh.
56-kilometer walk.
Is it the discus?
Discus, you said?
Discus, yeah.
Not right. Parth.
110 meter hurdles.
Not the 110 meter hurdles. Audience, if anyone wants to go for it, you can.
Triple jump?
Okay. Not triple jump. Triple jump was the first ever
James
Olympic
Connolly.
event.
20-kilometer
Connolly.
walk.
Absolutely right, Manish. It's the 20-kilometer walk, not the 50-kilometer walk. 50-kilometer walk started a few more editions before that. Hard luck to Kingshuk who said 50 kilometers. Anand, question again to you, and this goes to you the second time. So this person's record of winning 3 gold medals in one event, although it had subsequently been equaled by 7 other athletes, was not surpassed for 60 years. From 1908 until Al Oerter won his 4th gold for discus throw in 1968. As a clue, these events this person won the 3 gold medals in one event for no longer exist. Who are we talking about? I'll repeat the question. This person's record of winning 3 gold medals in one event, although it had subsequently been equaled by many others, was not surpassed for 60 years. From 1908 until Al Oerter won his 4th gold for discus in 1968. As a clue, these events, by the way, are no longer existent. Who is this person?
Is it Ray Urey?
Absolutely right, Anand. It is Ray Urey. In fact, all the competitions which he won it for, they don't no longer exist. The standing high jump, standing long jump, and the standing triple jump. Good answer, Anand. Next question to Arithro. Arithro, tell me, who was the only male runner to set a world record at the 2016 Olympics?
Wade Van Niekerk for the 400 meter.
Absolutely right, Arithro. It was indeed Wade Van Niekerk, and you have now taken the lead. Good job. Next question is for Gokul. Gokul, in chess, what must you say if you need to touch your piece after having played your move? In chess, what must you say if you need to touch your piece after having played your move?
Yeah, I can't remember what it's called. Some French term.
5 seconds more.
Yeah, pass.
Gokul passes. Kingshuk.
Adjust or adjust, adjust in French, adjust.
That's not the answer which I have, so I'll have to pass you, Kingshuk. Ramesh.
Something like bear with me.
No, that's not what I have. Parth.
I thought it was adjust as well. Adjust.
No, not right. Anand.
I'll just go for a fancy French word. Contretemps.
Not right. Arithro.
Pass.
Pass. Audience, anyone?
This is DJOUBE. How you pronounce it?
This is
Jadoob
Jadoob.
is the right answer. Jadoob is what I was looking for. Not adjust or anything like that.
It is the same thing. It means the same thing, my friend.
It's in official games. It is only known
No,
as
it
J2.
isn't. I have played twice in
Just
Alekhine.
spell the answer. Just spell the answer.
J apostrophe.
DJUBE. But I have played twice in Alekhine and it just worked. So, okay, anyway.
No? Okay. Moving on to the next question goes to Gokul again. Gokul, which world chess champion was partially deaf? He wore a hearing aid during his matches, which sometimes led to strange situations. On one occasion, he offered a draw to Svetozar Gilirogic, which Gilirogic initially refused in surprise, but then changed his mind in a few seconds and re-offered the draw. However, this champion did not even respond, instead went ahead and won the game. As it turned out, he switched off his hearing aid and did not hear when Gilirogic re-offered the draw. I'll repeat the question. Which world chess champion was partially deaf? He wore a hearing aid during his matches, which sometimes led to strange situations. On one occasion, he offered a draw to Svetozar Gilirogic, who initially refused to everyone's surprise, but then changed his mind in a few seconds and re-offered the draw. However, he did not even respond, instead went ahead and won the game. As it turned out, he had switched off his hearing aid and did not hear when Gilirogic re-offered the draw.
I'll say Steinitz.
No, not Wilhelm Steinitz. Passes to Kingshuk.
Shahryar Mamedov.
Not right. Ramesh?
Let's say Mikhail Tal.
Not Tal. Parth?
Jose Capablanca.
Not Capablanca. Anand?
Laskar.
Not Laskar. Aritra?
Us.
Audience, anyone?
This is
Was it
Tigran Petrosyan.
Tigran Petrosyan is exactly right. This is the deaf world chess champion. So I think that's two questions which have been missed by Gokul. So we'll move to Kingshuk. You're direct, Kingshuk. What is the term in chess that refers to a moment that whatever move you make, you will be in a position worse off than you already were? What is the term in chess that refers to a moment that whatever move you make, you will be in a position worse off than you already were?
Devil's position.
No, not devil's position. Ramesh?
Us.
Pass. Parth?
Zugzwang.
Zugzwang is right. That takes you to 3 points. Parth, good job at least getting a point in your chosen topic of chess.
Man, it was terrible.
Next question now to Anand. Anand, who has the longest test career in terms of matches without ever being captain?
You want the number of tests or the spread of the years?
Who has the longest test career without ever being captain? And by longest, I mean number of matches.
Number of matches. Okay.
Yes.
I'll go with Shane Warne.
Not Shane Warne, Anand. Aritra.
James Anderson.
Absolutely right, Aritra. It is James Anderson with 152 tests, and you're the first person to make it to 5 points in this quiz. Next question is for Gokul. Gokul, in 2019, who scored 112 on his ODI debut and then 109 not out on test debut to become the first batsman to score hundreds on both test and ODI debut?
Did you say 2019?
Yeah.
Thank you.
I have no idea. Pass.
Okay, Gokul passes. Kingshuk.
Again, I've forgotten the name. I'm not going to try and answer. Pass.
Okay, Ramesh.
Abid Ali.
Abid Ali of Pakistan is right, and Ramesh also goes on to 3 points, tied with Parth, Kingshuk, and Gokul. Next question is for Parth. Parth, 3 people hold the record for fastest T20 I-50. Rohit Sharma, David Miller, and Sudesh Vikramasekara from which country? So 3 people hold the record for fastest T20 I-50. Rohit Sharma and David Miller are 2 of them. The third one is Sudesh Vikramasekara from which country? T20 internationals.
Is it Canada?
Not Canada. Parth. Anand.
USA.
Not USA. Anand. Aritra.
Thailand.
Can you repeat yourself once again?
Thailand.
Not Thailand. Gokul.
Is it Nepal?
Not Nepal. Kingshuk.
Hong Kong.
Not Hong Kong. Ramesh.
UAE.
Not UAE. Parth, was your question, right? Audience, anyone?
Czech Republic. Czech Republic.
Czech Republic is right. He got it against Austria last year. Next question goes back to Parth. Parth, tell me, who was the first road cyclist to win 5 Tour de France titles?
It's obviously not Lance Armstrong, but I don't know.
Okay, we'll pass you. Parth. Anand.
Anquetil.
Absolutely right, Anand. That is Jacques Anquetil, and that takes you to 3 points as well. As it stands now, we have 5 people on 3 points and Arithro on 5. Next question is for Arithro. Arithro, the Giro d'Italia was started as a way to increase the sales of which newspaper? It is the most read newspaper in the country, and I need a specific answer, no translation or anything of that sort.
Gazzetta della Sport something. Gazzetta della Sport something.
I'll pass you for now, Arithra. Gokul.
Don't know, pass.
Kingshuk.
Gazzetta della Sport.
Yes, Gazzetta della Sport is right, not Gaza. Gazette means newspaper, Arithra, so I cannot give you the points because Gaza and Gazette mean different thing. That's right, Kingshuk. Next question is for Ramesh. Ramesh, what does the word Vuelta in Vuelta de España mean? Can we have the non-participants on mute, please? Thank you. Yeah. Yes. Ramesh, what does the word Vuelta in Vuelta de España mean?
Is it a race?
Not race, Ramesh. Parth.
I mean, can you repeat the word, please?
Yeah. What does the word Vuelta, V-U-E-L-T-A, in the road cycling race Vuelta de España mean?
It means terrain.
Not terrain. Anand.
Does it mean competition?
Not competition, Anand. Arithro.
Tour. Means
Tour is absolutely right. It means tour. That takes you to 6 points, Arithro. Good answer there. Next question goes for Gokul. Gokul, which club was Dion Dublin representing when he won the Golden Ball for most goals in an EPL season in 97-98? Which club was Dion Dublin representing when he won the Golden Ball for most goals in an EPL season in 97-98?
Celtic.
No, it's not Celtic. I'm talking about the EPL, English Premier League here. Kingshuk.
Wimbledon.
Not Wimbledon, Kingshuk. Ramesh.
Blackburn Rovers.
Not Blackburn. Parth.
Sheffield Wednesday.
Not Sheffield. Wednesday. Anand.
It's Aston Villa.
Not Villa. Arithro.
QPR.
Not QPR. This was Gokul's question. Audience, anyone?
Coventry City.
Coventry City is the right answer. Coventry City is the right answer. Next question goes back to Gokul. Gokul, who has the record for most appearances in the Spanish La Liga? Okay, I'm getting another request from people who are watching that they want nobody is on mute. Could everybody stay on unmute, please? Yeah. Yes, Gokul. Who has the record for most appearances in the Spanish La Liga?
I will guess Iniesta.
Not Iniesta, Gokul. Kingshuk.
Andoni Zubrizarreta.
No, not right. Ramesh.
It's Sergio Ramos.
Not Ramos, Ramesh. Parth.
Raul.
Raul Gonzalez is the right answer, Parth. That takes you to 4 points. Next question is for Anand. Anand, in the penalty shootout between Portugal and England at the 2006 World Cup, 4 English players took penalties, but 3 of them missed. Who was the only person to score a goal in the penalty shootout?
God. Oh, I don't know this.
In the penalty shootout between Portugal and England at the 2006 World Cup, who was the only English goal scorer in the penalties? Again, request everyone to not mute themselves. Getting a request from people. Yeah.
Is it Beckham?
Not Beckham, Anand. Aditro.
Lampard.
Not Lampard. Gokul.
I guess John Terry.
Not John Terry. Kingshuk.
Owen Hargreaves.
Yes, that's right, Kingshuk. And you move to 5 points. It is indeed Owen Hargreaves. Next question is for Ramesh. Ramesh, dogs playing poker is a famous piece of art from which artist?
I'd say Banksy.
Not Banksy. Parth.
Okay. Warhol.
Not Warhol. Anand.
Renoir.
Not Renoir. Aditro.
I'll pass.
Gokul.
I'll also pass.
Kingshuk.
This is pass.
Audience, anyone?
An American.
No one getting the audience?
Can I try? Is it?
Jack Russell.
No, not nothing like that. The answer
Is
is
it Liechtenstein?
no. The answer is Cassius Coolidge. Cassius Coolidge is
American.
famous
Yeah,
sets of paintings known as dogs playing poker. Whose question was this? I seem to forget. It was Ramesh's question. We go to Ramesh again. Ramesh, Phil Ivey is called the dash dash of poker because he looks like another extremely successful sports person. So what is Phil Ivey called in the world of poker? He's called the dash dash of poker because he looks like another extremely successful sports person.
Can you spell the surname?
Phil, Phil, Ivey, Ivey. He's one of the most successful poker players. And because of the way he looks, his face, etc., he's known as the dash dash of poker. Which players think fills up, which sports person fills up the blank?
I'd say David Beckham.
Not the David Beckham of poker. Parth.
Okay, I'm totally not trying to be racist here, but is it Floyd Mayweather?
Not Floyd Mayweather. Parth.
Okay.
Anand.
Let's say Roger Federer.
Not Roger Federer. Aditro.
Don Bradman.
Not Don Bradman. Gokul. Gokul is just gone. We'll give him 5 seconds if he doesn't return. Yes,
He's back.
Gokul.
He's back.
Hello?
Any guess, Gokul?
Is it my turn?
Yeah.
Yes, your turn.
Tiger Woods.
Tiger Woods is absolutely right, Gokul. He looks like Tiger Woods, almost like a ditto copy. And that takes you to 4 points, Gokul. The next question is for Kingshuk. Kingshuk, so in poker, you get dealt cards. So the 2 cards which you get dealt are called hand cards. So which set of 2 cards, if you have in your hand, can you give it the nickname Heinz, H-E-I-N-Z? Which 2 cards, if you have in your hand in poker, is that pair called Heinz? H-E-I-N-Z.
2 reds. 2 reds essentially because of the tomato ketchup connection. So if you have 2 high reds, it's basically called a Heinz.
Not right, Kingshuk. Ramesh.
To go with 5 and 7.
Why is that?
The Heinz 57.
Absolutely right. 57 items used in a Heinz ketchup sauce, and 5 and 7 is absolutely right. Ramesh, that takes you to 4 points. I think we have, let's see how many sets of questions remaining. We had, okay, so looks like that's the end of the quiz without even realizing. And let's look at the scores. We have Anand at 3, Parth on 4, Ramesh on 4, Kingshuk on 5, Gokul on 4, and Aritro on 6. And that means the qualifiers in the final are Aritro and Kingshuk. Congratulations, guys, and well done. Awesome job. We'll start with the third semi-final very soon. Hope everyone enjoyed the quiz so far. Thank you so much.
Thanks so much, man.
Quiz, bye-bye.